Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is my last 16 by 20 inch canvas before I get some more. A little something stuck to it. And this is my Fandango. Hoping that my Frozen is open. Got some of that left. A little cerulean blue with that. A little cyan aqua. And I'm going to use a little frozen amethyst. And maybe even some deep amethyst, we'll see. Probably some more Fandango. Definitely some tweezers. Because they work better than fingernails. That made a nice green color. I'm going to then spread out as far as it'll go. Feeling like pulling in some triple sec, which is not open. Whoa. That top's got to come right off. Because it needs to be cleaned. A little more Fandango. What else have I got? I've got sparkling aqua. Also looks like it needs to be cleaned out. I'm really inclined, for some reason, put some more frozen amethyst in there. Along with the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, which is what I'm using, best paint spreading tool I know of, I'm going to grab cerulean blue and some Midnight Shadow, and maybe even, this one could be thinned, maybe even another color, the blue velvet, for example. Although I'm eyeballing indigo violet also. I think it's time to clean off my spatula. First a damp sponge, then a paper towel. I'm wondering if I'm happy with that. I want something else in there, and I'm going to use it's Blue Flame. I haven't found the Snapdragon for a while. And that makes me want something else still, because I keep looking at this frozen amethyst. I'm going to use some deep amethyst. That's a lot of paint. That might go the whole side. Thought about some periwinkle. I'm not really done thinking about it either. Periwinkle and red violet go nicely together. So we'll try that. I just had a brainstorm and I put it aside and lost it. Pale green color, sea glass. I don't know why I'm trying this, but I am. That's all there is to it. I want the leftover residual paint that's on my spatula to pollute or affect or change up or add patterns to. Kind of like it. I wish I'd used a little bit more. Maybe right there. Oh, it's sparkling aqua. Be nice if I could get the clot out of the top without it taking a terribly long time. And I got my wish right there. It was big too. Unfortunately, I'm going to need another spatula to get that piece of that's kind of inspiring me to want to use some Cyan Aqua too, which is right candy. See if you open the bottle. Where to go from here? What colors do I want to put in here? I've got some bobbing for apples. Kind of inspired me to want to try that. My bottles are being a little challenging today. Boy, it looks very similar, right now at least, the red violet. I'm being called to a little bit of blue velvet. Try my rubber brush. No, gotta be careful. Don't really want to pull the paint up. More deep amethyst. Very light touch. Happy to have made it to the end of that. I thought I'd put some black in here when I started. I kind of lost that thread for a minute. I might let it dry and come back and add some similar colors to the colors we've got. We'll see. I haven't put any gold in. I thought about it. I'd like to take my residuals off. And use them. Some midnight shadow again. I've got perfect indigo. Question is, where do I want to put it? Still got to consider being kind of quick, because you lose the opportunity once the paint gets too sticky. I'm having too much fun suddenly. I'm going to add some dancing fuchsia. I don't know how it's going to come out, but I'm going to try it. Because I like that color combination. If I don't mess with it too much, it might stay. As in, one long swipe won't really help me out. And obviously, that might be what has to happen. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you come again. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, please. Also, if you'd like to become a member, you will help support the studio in the best way possible, and I really appreciate that. I love you guys. You inspire me always. Bye for now. Priscilla out.